Boom, 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 more eating. Grab your treats, grab your treats. Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. Welcome to the Mukbang Madness. Hey, y'all.
Hey, lovely
welcome
fam.
back to my channel. Hi, fam. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, share me out, hit the bell so you will never, ever, 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 ever miss another More Eats episode. I got my girl Sade here.
It's been a minute.
Say hi to Sade.
Hi, you guys.
Yes, you guys. And today, you guys, we are excited. It's been a minute. Okay?
Oh my gosh.
Look what we having.
Let me show y'all.
What is that? Shrimp balls. And I'm having a spicy tuna rolls. Yes! We are having sushi, you guys, today. We are excited to have sushi. Our favorite sushi place was down for a minute. But guess what? Now they up. So we're going to go ahead right here on this platter. We're going to start plating down some of this sushi for y'all to see. Okay. This is spicy tuna rolls. Shrimp balls, y'all. Tell them what's in them shrimp balls.
So there's some crab in there. We got a special sauce on there. It's fried. It's stuffed. It's amazing.
It's a stuffed shrimp.
Amazing.
With crab.
in there.
And all kind of stuff in there.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh. And then this is spicy tuna roll. Y'all already know what a spicy tuna roll entails. And I also have another, oh my God. Yeah, the R&B roll at my local sushi place. The R&B roll. Do y'all see it?
Yeah,
oh, do y'all see it? It is a sushi. It's sushi, but it's wrapped into soy. It's wrapped in soy paper. It's wrapped in soy, but it got spicy tuna in there, spicy crab with a tempura shrimp on the top. I'm telling y'all, when I tell you, these things melt in your mouth. This soy paper. I don't know. A lot of people like they sushi wrapped in soy. Look at that.
Bomb.
All in there. All in there.
At these fried shrimp, lobster, popcorn lobster on a California roll. Bomb.
What?
Yeah, you heard that right. Fried.
What? Fried?
Yeah.
On a California roll?
On the California roll. We get it.
Oh my gosh. Show them what that looked like. Fire.
Bomb. See, is that good? Am I showing you? Am I showing you? Right. Let me put that on there for y'all.
Yes.
Let's get some on there.
And she's plating hers. I'm going to show y'all this spicy edamame we got.
Bomb.
Spicy edamame.
It's amazing.
Oh my God.
Are you already eating?
That edamame. Okay. All right, y'all see this? Y'all see this?
That's spicy.
Let's get a thumbnail, sis.
Okay.
Ready? All right.
I'm going to try to attempt these with these chopsticks. It's been a while.
Oh, I cannot do chopsticks. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. How do you do chopsticks? Wait.
Okay.
I cannot do chopsticks, y'all.
Okay, you just kind of split it like so. And then you put them in your finger, like place them like this.
Like that?
Yeah. And then you just kind of scoop.
Is it like that?
Yeah. And then you just like scoop, you know? It's been a minute. See, I can't even. Yeah, you just scoop. Boom.
Wait, let me get some soy sauce ready for the scoop.
Okay.
I like soy sauce, y'all.
Me too. So we're gonna
okay, wait.
Boom. See? Good.
Look, I didn't do
there
it
you
right.
go, but you did it. You're holding it. That's all that matters. Dip it in the sauce. See, I'm over here making a mess already. Making a mess.
Y'all.
Mm.
Y'all. The R&B roll. Spicy tuna, spicy crab with a tempura shrimp on the top.
Mm.
Serve me up.
That looks amazing. Go ahead. Is that what this is too? This or that? Mm. Let me just grab this. You eat it all together with this?
Mm-hmm. All together.
Even everything?
Mm-hmm. Oh my God, it's so good.
Mm.
And we are back, y'all.
We are back.
Small little snafu.
Let's put some more on here.
Stop eating though. Fry, can you do me another favor? Please warm this up for like a minute. 2 minutes. Please.
Right.
I had to have my director come in, y'all, and correct it.
Wow. Yeah, I just have to put some more up there.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've had that one. I don't remember them
R&B
doing
roll.
Yeah.
That shit bomb. Well.
That looks bomb. It is bomb.
I have that soy paper.
Mm.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
You know it's good when you wanna dance.
You know I be dancing in all my videos like, hey, hey.
Hey.
Mm-mm.
Put in the teriyaki sauce.
Okay, be good. I mean, when I tell y'all, it'll be good, good.
Fried lobster.
Oh, let me have one.
Mm-hmm.
That one going out.
Good. You can have two.
Look. Ooh, wee.
Mm. Can I have one of these ones?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Damn it. Don't play with the sticks. Pick me
It's
up with
still
my
on
hand,
there.
baby.
Yeah, it's still on there. What I do with it? That's it, huh? Yep, I think this is it. Yep. Alright. It's because it's so soft.
Yeah, we've been so greedy.
Mm.
Guess what? Happy New Year! Today is New Year's Eve, you guys. We are about to turn up tonight. Tonight is about to be the turn up.
Bye 2020. Bye.
By 2020, you have really been a doozy. We ain't messing around with no more 2020. It's all about that 2021. It's on and popping 10, y'all. You guys.
21.
By 2020, you have really been bad to us. Bad to us.
It's been a rough year.
Man, we started off by losing Kobe. That one right there.
Period.
The coronavirus didn't even mess up my year. Losing Kobe was the start to the fucked up year.
Start of it.
Oh my God.
That was horrible.
I woke up.
Everybody knew where they were
Everybody was like.
when they found that out.
My daughter was like, Mommy, Kobe Bryant died in a car crash. She said Kobe died in a car crash. I was like, Kobe who?
And that,
shit, because the only Kobe I knew was Kobe Bryant, and I knew she was lying.
Who else? What other Kobe?
I already knew she was lying. I knew she was lying.
What other Kobe is there?
That's why I said Kobe who?
Ooh, which one? What?
And oh my God, and that was the start of the worst year ever.
Corona.
And then Corona hit.
Like the next week.
I want to say, I really want to give my condolences to everybody who has lost somebody due to Corona.
Yeah, me too. It's horrible. Yeah.
I know a few people
Yeah.
that done lost family members due to corona. And
Me too. It hits so close to home, and it's crazy. Like, it's really, it's really out there, you guys. Like, really wear
yeah,
your
and
mask,
people was
protect
thinking
yourselves.
like, oh my God, like, oh, it's the flu. It's
a
something
cold.
like, you know, it's just a cold. It's the same, you know.
It's really some real stuff going on out there.
Just yesterday, they announced that Riverside County had the largest amount of deaths
really?
and cases.
I didn't hear. Wow.
In Riverside County.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because no one's taking it serious out here. Everybody's out here just chilling.
They are. Everybody chilling, hanging out. And all they asking is like, if you want to chill and hang out, chill and hang out with the people that you are used to chilling and hanging out with. You know? Don't host a super spreader event. That's what they call it. Super spreader.
That's what they're calling it.
You a super spreader if you having all these big giant events. Here, anybody want some spicy tuna and crab?
Go ahead and try me the shrimp ball. So you guys can see the inside.
Oh yeah, the shrimp ball.
And that's the sauce you gotta dip it in. It's so good. Oh my god. Look at that. They're the best for last.
Oh my gosh. Oh crab.
Take the towel out. I'll be dipping it.
I'll be dipping. I'll be dipping it. And balls.
What about?
Yeah, you.
Shrimp balls.
Hey, I know y'all know about them shrimp balls.
Look how fat that is. And it's stuffed. Oh my god.
Stuffed with crab, y'all. Y'all see it? Can I reach far enough? Can I reach?
Can you see that?
Yes. Rolling sushi in Rancho Cucamonga, California with the shrimp balls.
With the shrimp balls. And the popcorn lobster California roll. You put me on the shrimp balls.
Oh my god.
I'm not gonna lie.
I'll put everybody on the shrimp balls. And y'all gotta go try these shrimp balls. With the crab in there. And guess what? Everybody I put on the shrimp balls, addicted.
Come back. Come back.
I don't even know how to make them.
For real, because as much.
I be shutting them restaurants down.
For real. I've been waiting on this all day. I'm gonna save my appetite all day for this.
That's good.
Yeah, I just naturally like a California roll.
Rolling sushi though, they have the best sushi. Well,
So pretty.
that we like out here in
That we like out
Fontana.
here, yeah.
They in Rancho, but you know, in the IE, a lot of people be thinking like we can't have good sushi because we in the IE. We can.
And we do.
Bomb. Y'all like my Agnes earrings? My homegirl Tati.
They're so cute. I peeped them out earlier. Dad Agnes.
Sent me my Agnes earrings for Christmas. Thank you, Tati. I love you, sis.
How cute.
Boom, boom, boom. Say hi to Agnes. Welcome to the Sushi Madness.
Hey, sushi. This one, look at that. I don't want to drop it.
Yeah. She know how to pick it up. Them motherfuckers is bomb, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's the R&B road. That's what we get every time we go there. Probably two. That's almost everything. Sometimes I don't even get shrimp balls or nothing. I just get 2 of those.
Mm-hmm. And spicy too. That was spicy to that.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Yes, you guys. So what is the plan for 2021, you guys?
Yeah.
What is the plan? 2020 was full of ups and downs. A lot of people had good times too. We're not gonna knock people's good times, but 2021, I just wish that we could just all hear about good stuff.
Yeah, because we've had a rough year, and I think we've been so low. I think there's nothing.
Everything is closed. To go up. Yeah, so everything is closed. You know what I'm saying? Disneyland is still closed. All the amusement parks, Universal Studios, Magic Mountain, everything is closed, you guys. Like, there's no normalcy still. Everything is still like on a shutdown, like lockdown type of situation. And you're only supposed to congregate with people that you know or people that's in your circle or things like that.
Yeah,
but tomorrow is a new year, you guys. Tonight, we shall party! New Year's Eve 2021. Hey! We start New Year's Eve 2021 with a bomb-ass meal. Bomb-ass meal. And tonight, we will put on our dancing shoe. What you doing tonight?
I'm a party a little bit, but I have work tomorrow in the morning.
Oh, you can't cheat.
So I can't do too much, but I'm gonna be at the house, turning up at the house.
We will. In a little bit, this whole area will be turned into a dance floor.
Okay. Yeah.
We are doing karaoke. We're gonna have food, drinks, friends, and company. You know what I'm saying? Because look, who expected that 2020 would be how it is? We are blessed for today to be New Year's Eve. Year's Eve. We are blessed to see New Year's Eve today, you guys. And guess what? I cannot wait to see what everybody's resolutions are. Do you make a New Year's resolution?
I try to, but then I get disappointed. But yeah, I think it's always good because it's like a recharge. It's like, all right, this is a new year. Let's just stay focused and try to accomplish our new goals, right?
Yeah.
I think it's okay to have.
Sometimes I try to, but I really don't be sticking to it.
Girl, that's
I'm not even gonna lie. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to do it. I try to do it. And I mean, I say it, but I don't know about sticking to it. I don't know if I really stick to it. Do you
no, I
stick to
don't.
It? Exactly.
I stick to it for I try.
Exactly, for that first month. Like, everybody going to the gym. Hey, I'm going to the gym.
But then it's like, dang.
Everybody be going to the gym on that first little note. Yeah. Everybody go to the gym on that first little note. And then the next week or whatever, nobody's at the gym.
You sold out.
Oh,
yeah, so but
you guys, I made some spicy edamame too.
Good.
Edamame. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think this year I'm gonna make a New Year's resolution.
That's what I was saying. Cause maybe just be disappointed,
be mad and disappointed because we didn't get to do shit this year. So we going all out in 2021.
To be healthy.
Hello, if anybody want to invite me anywhere, anybody want to tell me what's up, Keish, you coming over? Whoop de wop wop, man, I'm coming. I'm never turning nobody down again. I'm going out. I'm going to anybody having a club or anything? What y'all doing? Call me because I am never not going no more.
Life is too short.
You never know.
Start traveling more.
It might be a pandemic next week. You feel me? Like, I really want to go out and see my friends and have a good time. But I'm just glad that everybody is safe. Everybody is being safe. I'm glad everyone had a good Christmas.
Oh yeah, because Christmas was like not good.
And today is the last day of 2020, y'all. We are about to turn up.
Yeah.
We had our last sushi of 2020.
Yes.
Last sushi of 2020. We pressing forward in victory for 2021.
That part.
Pressing on in victory, sis.
Victory, sis.
Yes. All prosperity, love, wealth, plans, health, plans, goals.
That's important. Health. Wear a mask, y'all.
Yeah. Did you hear me? Health.
Period.
Health.
Put your mask on. I know we eating, but we have masks.
Look, we can't eat with mask on. No, don't invent no mask on.
We just eat them. Yeah, bomb.
Yep.
I think I'm gonna dip that in this.
Try it. Do it. I forgot to bring out some of my Cham sauce for you to taste it.
Let's do no dip. I'm me. All right.
Bring out my Cham. What?
Yeah. That's all I needed was a little bit of lime. Oh, that's so good with the crab and the shrimp. I want the spice. I'm done.
You gotta try this.
That just blew my mind.
Look, I'm about to open up this bottle of the Cham. Don't forget, you guys, link below. More eats at checkout. Get your sauce. Look at this amazing bottle, you guys. Look at all the bomb ingredients in this bottle.
It's so pretty.
Please tell me you see all the freshness that's going on in there. Okay, you gotta try this.
Sure. Okay, let me move some of my
Wait, let me shake it up again.
I've been seeing you post this, so I'm like, I need to try
Girl,
this.
it's so good.
What do you mix it with? You could just dip it in whatever.
No, it's just like a little sauce. Look, it look like a pesto-y sauce right now. Okay. Put one of them spicy. You like spicy tuna?
I'll try it. Yep. Okay, let me see. All right.
That's good.
Okay. All right, I dipped it. That's good.
Ain't it? It's like fresh, huh?
Yeah, I'm like.
It's like light and fresh. It's like really good. I'm telling you guys. It's so good. Look at all the bomb ingredients in there.
Yeah, I got all that. Look at all that. All
I'm telling you, look at that. It's so good. Y'all have to try it. Link below. More eats at checkout to get a discount. I'm telling you guys. You ain't gonna go wrong. You gonna be mad that you didn't get none. I'm just trying to pour a little splash on it.
Yeah, so you can see it.
No, I want to put some good.
Yes, girl.
Let me roll on my spicy tuna.
That shit was good. That shit was fun. I'm fucking up. These look like little peas, but whatever they're called. Yes.
I need to go.
That's spicy.
I need a. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a spicy little sauce to it. I mean, it got one is extra spicy. This one is a spicy one. But I need to go to Rolling Sushi and tell them they need this. If they rolled that up in their little spicy tuna, it'd be even better.
That shit is so good.
She good. Link below. More eats at checkout, y'all. Y'all, I think we are full.
Bomb.
We done did a whole presentation. Y'all, I don't know how long this video has been. Damn near an hour. Boom, boom, boom. Say bye to Agnes. Say bye to Sade. What? Thank you for coming to our Sushi Madness. Yay. Hey, bye guys.
Bomb.